This video is made possible by Envato Elements. Hey everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to see the power of the loopOut expression. The loopOut expression in Adobe After Effects is a powerful tool that allows you to create animations that repeat or loop indefinitely. This expression can be applied to various properties, such as position, scale, rotation, and opacity, to create dynamic and interesting animations. Let's quickly take a look at loopOut expression and its commands. Here we have this very basic project. I have this background and a box image. I want to add position animation on this box layer. So open the position, and add a keyframe on it. Then go to around 2-second position, and change the Y position value to a higher number. Now if I want to repeat this animation, I can simply copy the first keyframe, and paste it at a different time location. Of course, you can do it if you are going to use this loop only 1 or 2 times, but in case you want to repeat it several times, what if you have to change any keyframe value in the position, then you might not get it easily. Wait, we have a solution. Let's delete this keyframe first, then add an expression on this position layer. Press and hold the Alt or Option key on your keyboard, and click on this stopwatch icon to add an expression. Here type loopOut, with the capital O, parenthesis. Make sure to type it as I have. Now you can see it is looping the animation. Is that really what you were looking for? Well, I'm not, so I'm going to change it. Simply click on this expression area, and inside this parenthesis, type inverted commas, and then choose any command you want. Let's start with this ping pong. If you are using an older version of After Effects, you might not see these commands. Don't worry, you can just type in here. Make sure all the letters are in small cases. I'm going to use ping pong, and then eject from the typing box. Check the animation, and this is how it looks. Wow, we have created this loop animation just by using 2 keyframes. You can adjust the keyframe values, and the loop will work perfectly fine. Let's select both keyframes, and easy ease them. Check the animation, and this is really helpful if you are creating some loop animation. Let's take a look at another command. Now I'm going to click on this expression area, and replace this ping pong with the continue command. Eject from the typing box, and see. If we are not seeing any change here, it is because the keyframes are not linear, so we have to make them linear first. Open the graph editor, and select both keyframes, then click here to make them linear. Now check the animation, and you will see the animation keeps going. Bring the keyframe closer to increase the speed, and it is working the same. Let's apply the same command on another property. I am going to select this expression, and copy it. Then open rotation, and add this expression right here. Now it is showing this exclamation symbol, because we have not added any keyframe yet. So go to the first keyframe, add a keyframe on the rotation, then go to the 1-second position, and change the first rotation value to 1. Now if you check the animation, it will keep rotating. But if we easy ease these keyframes, then the animation will stop. It is because the easy ease keyframes are slowing down the animation at the end, which looks like the rotation is not happening. Let's move to the next command. I'm going to replace it with the cycle command. As you can see, the cycle is showing the same loop as the keyframe has created. It will repeat this animation again and again. By using it, you can easily create a news flash banner, or rolling text. Let's see the last one. This time I'm using the offset. Select, or type the offset command between these inverted commas, then eject from the typing box, and this is what the offset command is doing. As you have seen,
The continue command continues the end keyframe values, but the offset will repeat the same animation values, by offsetting it. See, I told you. We can use this command for creating an analog clock. Let's take a look. Make sure to unselect any selected layer, then grab the Move tool, and create a shape like this. I am using just the stroke for it. Align it to the center, then rename this layer as the clock. Then press Y, to grab the anchor tool. Press and hold the Control or Command key, and align this anchor point right at the edge of the line. Now open Rotation, and then add a keyframe on it. Then go to around the 1 second position, and change the rotation value to the distance which 1 second covers. Let me take an example of about 10 degrees. Then press and hold the Alt, or Option key on the keyboard, and add the loopOut offset expression here. If you check the animation you can see it is not working as the clock. Now the cool thing you can do, select both keyframes, right-click on them, and then click on Toggle Hold Keyframe. Check the animation, and now it will work as the clock. So this is it for today. By using the different commands available, you can control the way that your animation loops, and create a wide range of effects. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you at the next one. Till then, good luck, and peace. Download unlimited After Effects templates, logo music, background music, sound effects, fonts, stock footage, web templates, mockups, and more. Visit the first link in the description, and download anything for free for 7 days.